Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this really easy quilt block that you can use for spring or Easter or really any time. Now, if you want to make the 6.5-inch block or the 12.5-inch block, you want to look below your YouTube screen for those cutting instructions. Now you scroll down below your YouTube screen, click on the word More or Show More. It will expand open and you will see all of that information. Now you can go out and buy a lot of fabric if you want to make a quilt, or if you're just going to do a simple project like this pot holder, then you can just use fat quarters, and even you can go through your scrap pile to make this. Okay, let's get started. Lay your fabric pieces in this order. And then what you're going to do, I'm going to start down here. You're going to take the two sections like this, and this is how you're going to assemble them together. Take your little squares, bring them front sides together, then stitch a 1/4 inch wide seam and do the same thing on this end. Then on this one here, you take these two strips here, bring them front sides together, stitch a 1/4 inch seam. Now go to your ironing board and you're going to press your seams. When you're pressing, you want to press your seams going in a specific direction. So these two pieces right here, take the seams and press them towards the center block. On this one here, you want to take the seams and press them going away from the center of this block. Now you want to turn your blocks so that they are pretty side facing up. That's called right side. Turn them up. Now you're going to stitch all 3 rows together. So I'm going to start with this one. Bring them pretty sides together. And you want to make sure that your seams are lined up in this way. You want to make sure the seam on the bottom is in the opposite direction of the seam on top. So the seam on the bottom is going towards my left side, the one on top is going towards my right. And do the same thing here, line them up. Then I would place pins on those seams to hold them in place, and you can place more pins across if you need to. Then stitch a 1/4 inch wide seam here and here. Now go back to your ironing board and press this seam, then unfold and press the seam on top. Now I've pressed my seam going all in one direction all the way across. You want to make sure it's not crooked. Then go and then do the same thing on this edge. Now this is what your block should look like when you are done. Now I'm going to give you suggestions on what you can do with this block. Of course you can make a quilt. This would make a very cute baby quilt, or you can make a lap quilt if you would like. Now I turned one of the blocks into a project like this. This is a pot holder. You could also make a kitchen set. You could make a matching towel, take some of this fabric, make oven mitts. Now if you're interested in other tutorials that you can do, you want to scroll down below your YouTube screen to the description section. So when you see the word either more or show more, you click on that and it will expand open and you will see all of the links. Now while you're down there browsing around, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny and this is Scotty. See you next time.